Project is titled Donate Ease Mobilizing Humanity for Noble Causes via Digital Donations. It is based on the domain Full Stack Web Development. It is done under the guidance of Mrs. KVSL Harika ma'am. Now coming to the abstract, food, clothing, and education are the three most fundamental and vital necessities of any individual. On one hand, many people enjoy in excess of these resources and conveniences, while on the other, many people are in desperate need of them. The importance of these resources often tends to get overlooked, and people often are ignorant of the fact that they can be extremely essential. This application aims to bridge the gap between resource distribution and availability and strives to diminish the squandering of such valuable resources. On to problem description. The aforementioned situation is particularly prevalent in India. The non-uniform distribution and availability of these resources in India underline a persistent challenge in ensuring resource security for all its citizens. While some regions benefit from a relatively well-developed supply chain that provides a variety of food options, others face significant limitations in accessing nutritious and affordable food. We can see in many functions and events as well that leftover food being wasted. This food must be distributed among the ones who are in legitimate need of them. The same can be seen happening with books and clothes too. Identifying challenges in the current approach. It is definitely not a bed of roses, and there are a few challenges that one might encounter while developing and maintaining such a platform. Ensuring that donated items are in good condition and they meet certain standards before they are distributed. Ensuring that donated items are distributed efficiently to the intended recipients. Ensuring the legitimacy of both donors and recipients to prevent misuse or fraud on the platform. Gaining visibility and spreading the word about the platform to attract donors and recipients. Balancing the availability of donated items with the actual needs of recipients to avoid shortages or excesses. Well, coming to the software requirements for the proposed system, we have used HTML, CSS, Material UI, JavaScript, and React.js for front-end development, SQL Server, ASP.NET Core Web API for back-end development, and we have used Visual Studio Code or VS Code as our IDE. Now, on to the anticipated program outputs from the project. Outcomes could include increased accessibility for donors, streamlined donation processes, improved donor engagement, enhanced transparency in fund allocation, and potentially increased fundraising efficiency. The application could also offer data insights to help organizations make informed decisions and adapt their strategies. Anticipated program outcomes from a donation web application could include increased donation accessibility, streamlined donation processes, potentially higher donation amounts due to the convenience of online giving. And I would like to conclude by saying that the outcome would be an online-based application that provides a platform for donating leftover food to any needy people or organizations. The donation web application connects the people who have books, clothes, etc. lying around their house that they do not need anymore with the people who are in actual need of them. Thank you.